Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both phones and starting the app. On your Android, open the chosen cross-platform sharing app and allow required permissions. On the iPhone, open the same web page or app. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled because the transfer negotiates over local network. Ensure both devices appear in the app's device list. Tap the Android file icon first to select photos or documents, then choose Send, so you now execute the transfer. Select the files you want to move on Android, then press Send. The app creates a local connection and prompts the iPhone to accept. On the iPhone, tap Accept and choose where to save, photos, files, or the app storage, so items land where you can find them. While transferring, keep both screens awake and avoid switching Wi-Fi networks. If the app shows a progress bar, wait until it reaches 100%, then verify saved files. You wrap up by confirming the transfer completed. Open the Photos or Files app on the iPhone and inspect items. If something's missing, try simple fixes. Toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices, reconnect to the same network, and attempt the send again. If that does not help, enable the Android hotspot and connect the iPhone to it, or restart both phones and relaunch the app. This often clears permission or networking glitches. If you still fail, try a different cross-platform app as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.